Hi, Chef D here for Nutrafarms. It's all about the prime rib. Beautiful prime rib, grass-raised prime rib. We're going to season it with salt and pepper on all sides. We're going to place it into a cast iron fry pan or an oven-safe pan. Place it in a preheated 470-degree oven and roast for 30 minutes. Take the roast out, and after 30 minutes, add a cup of either water or beef stock. And then reduce heat to 200 degrees and cook until your desired temperature. Using a meat thermometer, remember 128 for medium rare. Cover for 30 minutes, and then slice into desired pieces and serve. For this recipe and more, go to Nutrafarms.ca.